Hindi lang papayaman. Dapat healthy ka rin. Sabi nga lang, health is still well. And now, I think we are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Reina Liparengue 2026 Sports Fair Competition.
Jenny, we would like to invite you on stage as our presenters, Sina and
Our Miss Photogenic is...
congratulations. Now we proceed as we meet our next awardee. We have Miss Telegenic.
And to present the award.
Our Reina Liparengue 2026 candidates in their creative costumes. Palakpakan po natin sila. Now we proceed with our third set of special awards. Meron tayong pamimigay na dalawa pang awards sa this set.
Best in the top 5. Galing sa runway. Yes, si runway. Illusion Divas. Hindi ko illusion. This is reality.
Yes. And then, talent po
And now, this time, ipapakilala ang galing nila sa iba't ibang talento.
Feeling ko nakasama ko na to previously sa mga nakaraang event. They're gonna sing and perform kapampangan songs. Okay, so give the floor to Bob Manalo and
Miss
Every Angle. As folks, ladies and gentlemen, we now leave the stage as it is to be owned by our Reina Liparengue 2026 for the
Evening Gown Competition. This time, we will know more about them with our casual questions, like candid questions.
third runner-up.
Second runner-up.
First, alright, so now we have our last two remaining candidates here. The first one that we will be calling is our...
Meron sila responsibility pag hindi na-fulfill yung title.
Sige na.
And now, our first Reina Liparengue 2026 is... Okay, congratulations. Thank you very much. Good morning. Happy Fiesta City of San Fernando.
Bibitin niya, manong.
God bless everyone. See you later. Thank you.
Jane, ganun mo. Ay, God bless. Okay, nilamig kondo din talaga. Okay, tinalakad din. 150. Eh, di mo yung sasabihin ba? Dininandelo na ata. Buy one, take one. Dininandelo na. Namin kahit ang ini. Malasa mo. Basta mo, pagkakay ng neta yun. Huwag tatakpan din. Surprise din pa siguro. Higit gani nga din pag lang people. Gani din may surprise. Ano po ito maka-video na lo. Tunggal-tunggal. Ha? Pata maka-video na lo. Tunggal-tunggal. Watermelon. yung tiyempo niya. Bata kanya-kanya. Wow!
Hoy! Puta, hindi ko dating.
Ang manalas ko gulong-gulungan. Sinali kong sidecast. Sinali kong sidecast. Paano niya ang mga yun? Wala yung
Atas kayo mo kaya yung mag-video ako pala. Pwede ito ko.
Ay, kailangan tayo. Oo. Saan ko na eh. Malaman yan eh.
Straight yung buhok na.
Wig yan, wig. What?
Jay, hindi may karang anak pala yun eh. Yak pala, kaya pala ata siya mag-video ko.
Ipro yung naman tabi yan eh. Ating tuktok.
Mantay mga aba, putut-putut mo niya mo retang yung sanday ila na mo video. Saan? Video? Video mo nga.